Hi, this is Jennifer with Signature Realty Group, RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. Welcome to our new listing at 27566 Golden Point Lane. Let's go inside and take a look. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home has an open floor plan, a wood-burning fireplace, and amazing views. This 5-star rated Airbnb here at Lake of the Ozarks is a perfect opportunity for investors. All Insteon fixtures and devices can be accessed locally or remotely via smartphone app. Located around you is Coconuts, Jolly Rogers, Lake Burger, and Indian Creek Cove. And the star of this home is the covered deck, the hot tub, and the hidden TV to watch these amazing sunset views. Thanks for joining me at my new listing at 27566 Golden Point Lane. If you have any questions regarding this home or any others here at Lake of the Ozarks, please give us a call at 573-302-2322.